Merry Christmas Eve. I am tracking what is kind of proving to be a challenging forecast ahead of this Christmas Eve windstorm that arrives basically late tomorrow morning and into the afternoon hours. Looking at some updated model runs is showing that the potential of this not being as impactful as we thought in terms of wind speeds. I'm still thinking we're going to be seeing breezy conditions. That wind advisory is still in place throughout much of the I-5 corridor. There's a high wind warning over along the east side of the state. They're going to be seeing some breezy conditions as well. But I think the gusts could be a little bit lower than I was telling you during our afternoon and evening shows. I think the gusts could be closer to maybe 30 to 40 miles an hour. Things can easily change as this system kind of tracks. It's moving in from Northern California. It's just going to fire right up along the southern Oregon coast and potentially push off to the east. If that's the case, we won't see much of an impact here locally or in the metro area, but still, if it pushes off a little more straight north, we could be seeing very breezy conditions a good portion of the afternoon and the early part of the evening tomorrow. But although the peak wind gusts are going to be lasting from basically noon till about 2 o'clock.